Hit it. All right. Scoot over so I can scoot over.
Yeah, just so you don't clean in the scores.
Yeah, okay. That's what I was trying not to do.
All right.
Set it up, Ryan.
Good position. Don't back up. Stay
Don't back up, Ryan. Get his leg.
Head down. Get behind him.
Push.
Get behind him.
Get behind him. There you go. Keep the leg. Keep the leg. Turn. Up, Ryan. Stand up.
Come on. Turn.
Get his hand. There you go.
Pull that arm down. Pull that arm down.
There you go. Keep running up now. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Go the other way. Now go the other way. Go. Go. Turn. Go that way. Turn towards us. Stand up. Turn. Turn. Yeah. Go.
Keep
go.
turning.
Do it again. Stand up. Turn again. Come on, Ryan. Stand up. Head up. Head up. Head up. Head up. Get away.
Let's go, Ryan.
All right.
Get takedown. Snap his head and get behind him.
Get behind him, Ryan.
Snap his head and get behind him. Get behind him.
Push. Turn it, Ryan. Turn. There you go. Ryan, you got to keep them legs. Pull it in. Pull that leg in. Keep turning, Ryan. Turn, turn, turn.
Go.
Keep turning. Pull that leg in.
Stand up with it there. Stand up. Hey. Look away. Fight.
Look away. Look away.
Outside leg. Good. Good. Fight. There you go. Up to your feet. Up to your feet. Stand up. Stand up and turn.
Up, up.
Escape, Ryan.
Oh. Go down.
Ryan.
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 42.
Ryan, you're down. You need to escape.
Let's go now. You gotta move. You gotta get moving, baby. You got to tight waist, leg over. You guys, watch out.
Up again, Ryan. Up again.
Go, turn.
Keep turning this way, Ryan.
Keep doing it. Hands, good.
Ryan, do it again. Stand up.
Do it again, Ryan. What point you tying up, Ryan?
Escape, Ryan.
There you go. Yeah, keep going, Ryan. Do it again. Yeah, baby.
Ryan. Ryan.
Ryan, do it again.
Stand up again.
You tied up. You can win this, baby.
Come on.
Up, yeah. Up again, Ryan. Up again. Up again, Ryan. Yeah. Up again. Hey, hey. Yeah, you keep coming up. You're going to get it, baby.
Stand up again. Stand up again.
Let's go, Ryan Strong. Get that stand up, baby. Get that stand up. Yeah. Yeah, do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Come on. Yeah.
Stand up, Ryan. Stand
Up,
up.
up, up, up.
Turn and face him. Hands. Oh, turn, turn. Yeah.
Stand behind his arms. Stand behind him. Get away, Ryan. Hurry. Get away. Hurry. Up again. Hands locking. Hands right there. Locking hands.
later. Ryan, first takedown wins. You gotta get aggressive. I need you to shoot and get some legs. Set up a good shot. If he goes for your legs, sprawl, get behind him and spin. Okay? You can't just let him grab your legs.
Come on, Ryan. You got this. First point win.
One takedown, you win.
Ryan, he's winning. Come on.
Let's go, Ryan.
Get it, Ryan! Yeah!
Good job. Good match, boys. That was a good match. You guys wrestled hard. Good for both of you.